Coming up tonight at 11 o'clock on News 10, you heard it from the mayor himself. If you live on a side street, don't plan on seeing a snowplow come your way. People are upset about the lack of snow removal service, so what are you supposed to do? Well, we'll take a closer look at snow solutions. That's all ahead tonight at 11 o'clock on News 10. But that's it for News 10 at 6. The NBC Nightly News with Tom Brokaw is next. I'm Renee Chenault, and we'll be back with News 10 at 11. Have a good night.
If you see news, call 1-800-TIP-WCAU.